So hey guys, I am back with another theme for your Android smartphone, and this time it is for PUBG lovers especially. So without wasting more time, let's get started. First of all, you need to download the custom launcher, and I always recommend you Nova launcher because it is a highly customizable. Simply do the Nova launcher basics. Next, you need to set the Nova launcher as your smartphone default launcher. For this, simply go to your smartphone setting and search home and select home app as your Nova launcher. That's it. Next you need to import the backup, which will make the things easier. The backup file is linked in the description below. Simply download it from there and open up the backup file. The Nova launcher will prompt you to restore the backup, so just do that. Once again open up the Nova launcher and you will see the home screen has been completely changed. So next you need to add widgets. For this you need to download the KWGT and a preset pack of KWGT, which is free on Play Store. So download both the apps, links are in the description. Open up the KWGT app and you will see the two widgets are already added. Simply open up the widget, open up the hook KWGT and scroll down a little bit to find the required widget. So here it is. Allow all permissions to the app. Okay, it has been loaded. So next you need to scale it up because it will be little bit smaller. For this, go to the layer section and scale it up according to your preferences. So yes, that looks nice. Next, there is some mistake by a developer. He has misspelled the battery. For this, go to the battery section and in the formula you need to spell it right. Simply add the A there and that's it. Now it looks nice. Simply save the widget and get back to your home screen. So that's it. Next you need to add the bottom widget, which is customly created by me. The download link for this widget in the description. Simply download it and import it in the KWGT app. Here is the widget. Simply import it and yes. Next you can also change the custom action to none so that you cannot accidentally click the widget again and again. So that's it done. Here you can see the PUBG icon, which is working fine, and you can open up the PUBG app directly from your home screen. Next you can also set the icon pack for your app drawer, which will make it look more classy. I recommend you line bit, which is my personal favorite, and it looks good with every theme. So guys, that's it for today's videos. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.